What's going on, my friends? It's Steve, just relaxing, shooting the breeze with the Canon M50. I haven't done anything with this camera pretty much since I got my Sony, and I figured I'd connect my Rode to it, just relax, shoot a video, and pretty much let you guys know that I do have a Canon M50 tutorial video coming out soon. I'm going to teach you how to do something pretty cool. It's a feature that I've used a lot on my Sony a7 III, but I never really used with my Canon M50. And it's not a basic feature. It's not super advanced, but if you have an M50 and it's your first camera and you really hate fiddling through the settings a lot, this is really going to help you out. So keep an eye out. Maybe the next coming day or two I'll put it out. I know I have a video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so maybe I'll let it out Tuesday or Thursday, or maybe I'll just drop 2 videos on one day. So I just wanted to let you know that I have a surprise Canon M50 tutorial video coming up soon. And I really do miss this camera, but it is not my camera anymore. So I will see you all in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you want to talk about in the comments below. Peace, guys.